Hi, I'm Terry, the media specialist at East Jackson Middle School, and today I'm going to show you how to create or take a screenshot on a Google Chromebook. There are two types of screenshots that you can take. The first one is a picture of the entire screen, and that's called the full screen shot. The second one is the crop shot. The crop shot allows you to take just a snippet of something that's on your screen. For example, I might want to just crop and click take a picture of the word Google. So let's take a look at how to make those two screenshots. To make the full view of your screenshot, what you're going to do is you're going to hold down your control key and then you're going to tap the switch Windows key. After you tap the switch Windows key, on the right hand side of your screen, the screenshot window is going to appear. To save that image that you have taken a picture of, you're going to copy it to your clipboard. Okay, so now let's take a look at how to make a crop shot. There are three keys that you're going to use to make the crop shot. You're going to hold down the control key, hold down the shift key, and again tap the switch Windows key. Once you tap the switch Windows key, the crosshairs are going to appear. So you'll take your crosshairs, use your left click button, and highlight the section that you want to take a picture of your window. Release your left mouse button and your screenshot window will appear. Just like before in the full shot, you're going to need to copy that to the clipboard. Now, how do you paste it? So let's paste what I just took a picture of to a Google Doc. I'm going to go up to my Google apps and I'm just going to click on Doc. And I'm going to get a new blank doc. And once that blank doc appears, we're going to simply paste that screenshot into this Google Doc. So I picked my blank doc. And now I'm ready to paste in my picture once my document is fully loaded. Once my cursor is flashing, I'm going to simply hold down the Control and the V key, and that will paste my clipboard item onto my doc. And that's how easy it is to take a screenshot on a Google Chromebook.